Afternoon, everybody. This is Dave Lenhart with the AES and HRO Society. We're over here at AES headquarters with that raffle from there today. So let's find out who the lucky winner is for that fierce carbon rival, the Black Forest 28 Nosler. Here we go. Okay, and the ticket number is 860130. 860130. So congratulations to Gary B. Gary will be giving you a call. And again, everybody, thank you for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.